Hey guys, how's it going? So today we are getting going on the KX450 project. We already tore it down in the last video. You can click that up here. So today we just got some new plastics in for it. They're all black. We're gonna pull it over. We're gonna clean up the bay here, and then we're gonna start putting these plastics on and see how they look. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe. It helps a lot. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers so I can get monetized and start making money so I can make better videos for you guys, because I have some awesome ideas. Like, if I had some money to actually do this stuff, the content you guys would be able to watch would be just so enjoyable, I promise. So please go hit the subscribe button. Let's get right into this video.
On the freeway, till I get blinded by the headlights. They go past me, I see the last me that I ever will be. And that got me asking if living this lightly, has that been the right thing? Or should I been a little bit more focused on the place that my feet needed to go? And as they go past me, I see the last me that I ever will be. And that got me asking if living this lightly, has that been the right thing? Or should I been more focused on where feet wanted to go? If I died right now, no lie, I'd have a few regrets. Wish I spent more time out biking instead of smoking cigarettes. Wish I worked more on music instead of alternating steps. Probably should have talked more to people.
The dirt bike, which, like I said, we tore down last video. Only thing we still have to do is get the front fender off. The bolts in here are a little sticky, and they don't want to come out. I sprayed them down with penetrating fluid, so we'll see if we can get it down.
Or a mask, or a laugh, or a face, or a faith in my place in this path. But so I'm trying to change that and live inside the moment, not the past. See the present unwrapped, cause the moment's all we have, till it's gone. I'm just waiting, hoping the next one go last a little longer than the one before it, cause there's only so many I can grab, so they all start slipping out of hand. If they go past me, I see the last me that I ever will be. And that got me asking if living this lightly, has that been the right thing? Or should I been a little bit more focused on the place that my feet needed to go? And as they go past me, I see the last me that I ever will be. And that got me asking if living this lightly, has that been the right thing? Or should I been more focused on where feet wanted?
Just for right now, I'm just gonna stick. I'm not gonna tighten anything up or anything, but we're just gonna put the new plastics on loosely, so we can see how it looks and see, make a plan for other stuff we have to order. New levers and the drain plug have yet to arrive, and then we have some other stuff that we obviously need. But we'll do this. So hope you guys are enjoying it. Let's get putting on the new plastics. All the plastics on the ground. They're honestly just so shiny and nice that I don't even want to touch them, but we are going to put them on the bike. So enjoy this little time lapse, and we'll get these things on here. fit, I'll show you guys the few issues I am having putting this on. And everything is just like loosely on there. Nothing's actually on. It's just to show you guys what it's gonna look like. I'm thinking I'm going to get camo graphics or something for it too. I have not decided yet, and I currently do not have the money to buy them. So this is actually a budget build. So here, if you come up here, you can see the back is all it's loose on there right now, but this all is gonna line up flush and everything. But it's actually a really good fit on the back. Up here on the front, this shroud, the only issue I'm having with fitment is the bottom here, this piece, and it has to go back into this little hole back here. And it's not lining up too good, so I'm just gonna heat this up a little bit with the heat gun, and we'll get it on there. On the front, this kit did not come with a number plate, and I could not find one that did. So I put the old number plate back on with the Fender, and it looks pretty good. I'm gonna get a new number plate for it eventually, but for now, this one matches and it will do. But yeah, that's the bike. So we're gonna finish this all, and in the next video, it's all going to be on there properly, and we'll probably have new levers and stuff coming for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a lot of fun so far working on this. It's going fairly well. The plastics were a very good price, and they will work. I have to put some new graphics on here, obviously, before I'm riding it, or else I'm just gonna totally destroy them. And yeah, because I'm gonna crash it a lot. Anyways, so we have a lot more videos on this bike coming. This is just a short video about the plastics that I've ordered. Having helps so much. If you watched this video, hit the subscribe button. It's awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next one.